All are very welcome to the quiz platform called LearnZeal Quiz, and today we are going to pass through the quiz name Grammar Set 1. And here you can see on the screen that this is the Grammar Set 1 quiz already opened on the screen. And this grammar quiz set 1 contains 50 questions, right? And from here you can start this quiz, right? So let's start. Okay, so here is the first question on the screen. Also, you can maximize this screen from here to make this bigger. Okay, and here is the speaker button, and by clicking this you can make these questions audible. And okay,
1. You and I are doing our work.
something like this, you can make this question audible by clicking here, right? So the first question is, you and I are doing our work, and here's the four options on the screen. You can see this very clearly, right? The first option is aren't we, and the second option is option B is aren't you, and option C is are we, option D is aren't I. So the right answer is aren't we. Okay.
Right answer.
So moving to the next question. The next question is question number 2, and the question number 2 is Akriti space blank space since afternoon. Okay, so here's the four option available for this question also. So the question option number A is was working, option number B is works, option number C is working, option number D is has been working. So let's guess which is the correct probable answer. Okay, so the correct answer is had been working.
Right answer.
Okay, so moving to the next question. Next question is question number 3, and question number 3 is blank space. The girl was selected for the national scholarship. Here's the four option you can see here, and I guess the correct option is question number C.
Right answer.
Okay. So moving to the question number 4. The question number 4 is a life history of a person is written by himself is option A is biography, option B is autobiography, option C is geography, and option D is bio life. So which is the correct answer? Let's guess. So the correct answer is autobiography.
Right answer.
Okay, so moving to the next question. The next question is, if she had worked hard. Okay, so I guess here is some typing error. If she had worked hard. Okay, I guess here is the typing error. If she had worked hard, she would have been elected. Here the R is missing in this had. Okay, so the correct question is, if she had worked hard, she would have been elected. So option C is the correct answer.
Right answer.
Moving to the next question. The teacher made the naughty boy. Okay, so is the four option. Okay, so try to pick the correct option. Which is the correct answer? The teacher made the naughty boy tiptoe.
Right answer.
Tiptoe is the correct answer. Okay, moving to the next question. There, blank space. A lot of people at our party yesterday. Okay, so try to guess the correct answer. Here's the four option available. So which is the correct answer? Try to guess it out. So option A, where is
right
the correct answer? Now moving to the next question. The next question is blank space. You read, the more you will learn. And the four option available out here. So try to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer is option number B. The more
Right
you
answer.
read, the more you will learn. Moving to the next question. The next question is, don't go to blank space the age. Okay, so try to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer is option number D. Don't go too near the edge.
Right answer.
Moving to the next question. Next question is blank space. I was tired. I managed to finish the work. Okay, so try to guess the correct answer. Correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is although I was tired, I managed to finish the work.
Right answer.
Okay, so moving to the next question. Next question is neither of the biscuits you gave me blank space chocolate chips. Okay, so here is the four option provided here, and the option A is it contain, option B are contained, option C contain, option D is contains. So try to guess the correct answer, and the correct answer is option
Right
B
answer.
contains. Moving to the next question, blank space to the white ran to Kuch recently. Okay, so I just tried to make this audible by clicking here.
12. To the white ran of Cooch recently?
Okay, so what is the correct answer over here? Try to guess it out. Okay, try to guess it out. Have you ever been to the white ran of Kuch recently?
Right answer.
Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, and the next question is Atis blank space a grain merchant. Make it audible. When we click at this speaker icon.
13. Oddish, a grain merchant.
Okay, so which is the correct answer? Try to guess it out. It's a very simple question, right? So you must answer this very clearly. So the correct answer is option number B is.
Right answer.
Okay. Moving to the next question. The next question is
14. A blacksmith uses.
A blacksmith uses. Question 14 is blacksmith uses. And the correct option is velos.
Right answer.
Moving to the next question. What blank space the girl playing at noon yesterday? What blank space the girls playing at noon yesterday? And here's the four option. Try to pick the correct option from this option, and the correct option is option number B.
Right answer.
Where? Moving to the next question. Okay, so try to make this audible by clicking here.
16. The two brothers generally wear clothes.
The two brothers generally wear blank space clothes. What is the correct answer? Try to guess it. Try to guess it. So the correct answer is option number D, each other's
Right
clothes.
answer.
Moving to the next question. Question number 17 is he just cannot sleep. He spent blank space lying awake in the bed. Okay, so what is the probable correct answer? Try to guess the correct answer, and the correct answer is option number D, whole night.
Right answer.
So he just cannot sleep. He slept whole night lying awake in the bed. Okay, so moving to the next question. The next question is the cat jumped blank space the table. So try to guess the correct answer, and also try to comment the correct answer in the comment section below, which is the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is option B,
Right answer.
upon the table. Moving to the next question. Okay, make this question audible by clicking here.
1-9. Opposite of astalia in meaning is.
So which is the correct answer? Try to guess the correct answer from this option provided in this question. Try to guess the correct answer. Okay, so try to guess the correct answer from these four options. So the correct answer is option number A, fresh.
Right answer.
If you enjoying this quiz, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more quiz updates like this. And we are moving to this question, and you can see the question out here. Blank space feels thirsty. Make this question audible.
20. A. Feels thirsty. Aagia. A.
Okay, so the correct option is
Right answer.
O. Moving to the next question. Question number 21 is I put blank space my hat when I come home. And use the four options provided out here. Option number A is 2, option number B is up, option number 3 is with, option number 4, option number D is off. So try to guess the correct option. Choose the correct option from here. Which is the correct option? Okay, so I guess option number D is the correct option out here.
Right answer.
Okay, so the system is saying it's the right answer. And moving to the next question. The next question is question number 22, and the question is why blank space going to the party. Try to guess the correct answer over here, and the correct answer is option number B, isn't David.
Right answer.
Moving to the next question. The next question is follow the principle, do it. Okay, so here's the four options available out here: himself, yourself, themselves, myself. And the correct option is option number B. So the correct option is yourself.
Right answer.
Moving to the next question. The next question is blank space. Did the family member go study? And here's the four options available out here. Try to guess the correct answer. Okay, so don't just ignore all the question. It's very important to guess the answer. So try to guess the answer. Okay, try to guess the answer, which is the correct answer. Also comment the correct answer in the comment section. What is the correct answer of question number 24 out of four options out here? Okay, so the correct option is option number B.
Right answer.
We're moving to the next question. The question number 25. Okay, so the question number 25 is a blank space, a telephone call, comma, the driver turn up for extra duty. And here's the four options available out here: having got, being got, have been got, had got. Okay, so the correct option is question number A.
Right answer.
Having got. Okay, so for today, let's finish this quiz out here at question number 25, and from tomorrow we'll be continuing from the question number 26. And so let's finish the quiz out here at question number 25, and let's check how many of the question we have we have just answered correctly out of 25 question, right? So okay, let's finish it. Okay, so the question, the system is trying to say that you have scored 50% of the quiz, means I have just passed a 50% quiz. That's why I have scored only 50% quiz. And my score is 25 out of 50, and we all know that we just passed 25 quizzes out of 50, so we just passed 100% correctly, and we just passed 25 out of 25. So from tomorrow we will be continuing from question number 26. So thank you all of you. If you really liked this quiz video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. And also, if you like to pass through this quiz, the link is already provided in the comment section at your service. You can pass the quiz through the link provided in the comment section. And also, we will keep uploading new quizzes and new video to this channel, and also new quizzes to this quiz platform called LearnZeal. So don't forget to check that out. So stay happy and keep learning. Thank you very much.